lot of steps need to be taken before a brand is ready to appeal to customers. Take our client Lermish, for example. Prior to working with Prime Prim, they were just another business trying to handle everything by themselves. However, since they discovered the passion and talent of Prime Prim's brand management team, they now have the tools and support that they need to confidently grow their business.
Your business needs the guidance and expertise of the professionals at Prime Prim. Take advantage of our proven methods, such as exclusive interviews to generate interest in your business, content created by our production team to present your brand to new customers, and a custom PR plan that is sure to give your business the boost it needs. We can offer your business a dedicated team for branding, production, marketing, and social media.
Think of this as an investment into the future of your business. By letting us work for you, experience the possibility of new clients, professional branding, and increased sales. Let us handle your marketing so that you can focus on what makes your business unique. Check out available packages on our website to learn more about investing in your company's success.